Mongolian cuisine is deeply rooted in its nomadic past, shaped by extreme climate, mobility, and a close bond between herders and their animals. At the heart of traditional Mongolian food are the five snouts: horses, cattle, camels, sheep, and goats. Meat and dairy from these animals are central. Every part is used. Because of Mongolia's harsh climate and nomadic lifestyle, preservation is crucial. Over centuries, people developed smart techniques like fermentation, drying, and smoking to keep food safe and flavorful through long winters and migrations. One famous dish is Khorkhog, mutton steamed and roasted using hot stones inside a sealed container. Another is Boodog, where a whole goat, or marmot, is cooked from within using heated stones, preserving the shape and infusing flavor. Then there are Buuz, steamed meat dumplings, and banch, smaller dumplings often in soup. Buuz are especially important during Tsagaan Sar, Lunar New Year. Fermented dairy products are a cultural pillar in Mongolia. They feed people and symbolize hospitality and tradition. Airag, fermented mare's milk, mildly alcoholic. It's a national beverage and a key symbol of Mongolian hospitality. Aaruul, dried cheese curds, easy to store, and nutrient-dense. Byaslag, traditional Mongolian cheeses, from fresh to aged varieties. Another daily drink is Suutei Tsai, or milk tea, made by boiling tea with milk, salt, and sometimes fat. There's also shimin arki, a distilled alcoholic drink made from fermented dairy products, used on special occasions, whether steaming meat over hot stones, sipping fermented mare's milk, or rolling dumplings with nomads. Mongolian food connects you deeply with its people, land, and centuries of survival wisdom.